Why? Because I decide that I'm not sharing my personal life. I don't believe I should. I reserve the right as much as I'm a public citizen. I don't need to be sharing certain things on social media if I don't want to. I don't need to be sharing my personal life to say who I'm dating or if I'm in a relationship or if I have children of my own. And in the absence of that, persons came out. Cliff, where this rumor originated to? Back when President Kagame came here, I'm not afraid to say it. It's my story. I can tell it. I was battling with fibers. And so my belly had a little bulge. And one parliamentarian from the other side made a laugh and said, look like Rhoda is pregnant. And that is where it just spiraled from there.
Yeah, you're listening to Rhoda Moy Crawford. And the Jamaicans, them back at it again. All lying Jamaicans spreading rumors on the internet. Them a go get where them a go get. Greetings and salutations to all nation. Yeah, me a talk about the Jamaicans them and the Trinidadian them and the African them, Haitians, Bahamians worldwide. If you have not subscribed as yet, where you are wait pan, build up the tribe. Me they are live. Ladies and gentlemen, as you heard, the gossip is spreading wide. This time, they're saying that Holness is cheating on his bride. Imagine, and they say he's cheating with Rhoda Moy Crawford, as Rhoda Moy Crawford denies having an affair and getting pregnant for Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Frustrated by the slanderous allegation made against her, the Jamaican Labour Party Member of Parliament from Manchester Central, Rhoda Moy Crawford, denied having an affair with the Prime Minister, yes, of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, during an interview Wednesday. Amid the contentious political climate, Crawford has become a popular topic of discussion for all online bloggers. It has been alleged that she was engaged in an affair with the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, and became pregnant. Let me know if something in a something or if a lie, them a lie. Because nobody mind like Jamaican. It was further alleged that Crawford was forced to terminate the pregnancy after Juliet Holness became aware of the affair. Speaking with Cliff Hughes on Nationwide 90 FM, Crawford expressed that she doesn't wish to deliver or divulge too deeply into the wild accusation against her right now, but will do so. Time is right. Crawford said that only reason she's continuing her political career despite the slander allegation is because of the love she has for her country. Sharing her story of humble beginning, Crawford also expressed doubt that any other young politician had come under any attack as she have. In addition to putting her education on hold, the MP said she has invested all her resource in her constituents and insists of emulating and applauding her people have sparked these rumors. Instead of emulating that, then what is good? You have people, they start off with a rumor. Oh, how is Rhoda able to do so much work? She must be getting money. She must be getting more money. And then now they keep adding on to it. Oh, she must be involved with the Prime Minister. That's why she get money or more money than others. These things are heartbreaking, Crawford said. Crawford went on to address the pregnancy rumor and called the allegation sickening and hurtful. She added that rumors are being spread without any consideration of the families that are involved. Crawford shared that while she has contemplated pursuing a lawsuit, she does not want the allegations to become public distraction that would hurt her comrades in the party. According to the MP, the pregnancy rumor originated from Member of Parliament the People's National Party, who joked that she looked pregnant, but she was actually suffering from fibroids issue. We have the video right here, and I man want to make you hear it, and then I'm going to chime in, ladies and gentlemen, on what Jamaicans have been doing year in, year out to their people. Now here is Mrs. Crawford speaking.
Accusations, and Cliff, I don't want to really get out there and say certain things now, but at the right time I will share. But what I want to encourage other young people who are out there, still do not be deterred by the negativity and what you see happening, because it's good people with good intention. Step aside and Jamaica is doomed. Cliff, it is because of my love for my people and my love for my country why I'm sticking this out and I'm fighting hard. I don't know if in recent time any other young individual have come under the kinds of attacks that I have come under. And why? I came in, young person, from a poor family, sold in the market with my mother to help to get a good education, have my master's degree, doing my PhD, which I've had to put on hold because of how immersed I am in this politics. I got out there. Every resource that I have gotten, I go out there and I spend it on the people. When we don't get enough from CDF, I reach out to ministers, I reach out to private sector, and instead of applaud the effort of the young member of parliament and aspire to some of the members of parliament and some of those in the political arena are guilty of it too. So instead of emulate then what is good, you have people that start off with a rumor, oh, how is Rhoda able to do so much work? She must be getting more money. And then now they keep adding to it. Oh, she must be involved with the Prime Minister. That's why she getting more money. These things are heartbreaking. You have money. These things are heartbreaking. You have families involved. You have people involved. The latest I see now, Cliff, on social media is that I got pregnant for Prime Minister and did an abortion. Those things are hurtful. Those things are sickening. And then you have others, Cliff, that take it and they run with it and they put this out there and they don't have any consideration for how these things hurt people and their family. Why haven't I gone the route of lawsuit yet? When I saw them emerging around the time of the local election, I contemplated it. I did seek some legal advice. But you know what I said to myself, Cliff? I said, I will suffer. I am willing to suffer and push through this because I know that there's no truth to it. Because if I was to come out and put forward a lawsuit, in my mind, I'm saying, it would move it from the gossip channels to mainstream media. And I didn't want that for it to become a distraction to hurt the rest of candidates and to hurt the party. Mm-hmm. So I suffered through it. I battled through it, still suffering through it, because my reputation has taken a hit for it. And why? Because I decide that I'm not sharing my personal life. I don't believe I should. I reserve the right as much as I'm a public citizen. I don't need to be sharing certain things on social media if I don't want to. I don't need to be sharing my personal life to say who I'm dating or if I'm in a relationship or if I have children of my own. And in the absence of that, persons came out. Cliff, where this rumor originated to? Back when President Kagame came here, I'm not afraid to say it. It's my story. I can tell it. I was battling with fibers, and so my belly had a little bulge. And one parliamentarian from the other side made a laugh and said, look like Rhoda is pregnant. And that is where it just spiraled from there.
What?
It just spiraled from there. And I've chosen to ignore and just immerse myself in the work because while this is happening, the work of the people must go on. And I'm not going to allow any bullies or anyone to weaken me or to try to break my spirit.
Well, family, yeah, family. Yeah, you know what? It's a strange situation. It's a strange situation with Jamaicans, you know. Strange situation with Jamaicans. Yeah, it's a strange situation with Jamaicans, you know. Because it appears that Jamaicans are on this tear down mission. Everyone seems to be shining. Jamaicans always try to pull them down. As you see the beautiful Rhoda Moy Crawford, yeah, a JLP representative from the central part of Manchester, in Jamaica. And the people them have this beautiful, intelligent woman, member of parliament, dragging her with rumors that Andrew Holness have her as a side chick. And because the people them love the gossip, they're tearing down this beautiful representative, this intelligent Jamaican, the JLP representative, Mrs. Rhoda Moy Crawford. And one of the people them for overstand that all they're doing is damaging the characteristics of the Jamaican citizen. A true Jamaican citizen is a person that lends their life to service to the people. And that's what police, doctors, teachers, lawyers, and politicians aim to do. And I personally don't believe in politicians. But when they're young and they're new to the formation of politics, we have to give them a chance. And here we have many females rising to the ranks in politics, especially in today's day, rising to the ranks in education. As you see, the beautiful Rhoda Moy Crawford is here with Juliet, with Mrs. Holness. And it doesn't appear that they have any problem. But if rumors continue, and you have this beautiful browning, young, nice smile, educated, so Juliet gon' feel away with her tough face. Don't mean to debase the Prime Minister wife, because she's gorgeous also, intelligent also. But here you have a young filly looking for a jack. But again, I don't want to speculate upon that, because if Holness and Crawford in a bed, we no care, even if she a give head, because that's their private matter. And between Holness, Juliet, and Rhoda, they should be able to take care of that. And as long as it's not bothering the public duty of these people, then you have to overstand their humans too. But as Rhoda Moy Crawford rubbished the rumors online, I wanted to chime in and ask why Jamaicans so lie and why Jamaicans so bad mind. As soon as them see a street light, their idea is to lick it out by the end of the night. As soon as you rise and act like you're bright, their whole mission is to tear you down and turn out the light. Beautiful ladies here on the screen, you recognize some of them. The beautiful Miss World, Lisa Hanna. And here you have another gorgeous MP, Rhoda Moy Crawford of the Central area in Manchester, being accused of having an extramarital affair with the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Prime Minister Andrew Holness. And as she stated, the rumors started in the People's National Party, as Rhoda Moy Crawford expressed that at the time she was suffering through complications from fibroids. So she put on a little weight and then make a little sneaky statement. Say it seemed like Rhoda I get more money because Holness I grind her. Imagine people, big MP from central Manchester, beautiful, gorgeous, and intelligent. As you heard Rhoda Moy Crawford says, she has her master's and has put off her PhD, her doctorate study, to submerge herself with the duty of the care of central Manchester. Are jealous then jealous. Bad mind is breeding. You organ tea. Imagine 2017 me hear Mota say Jamaican people too fast. And me a echo that on no faster Ross. Just because she's doing well, no means that she and the Prime Minister in a bed. And even if they are, me now watch her shun cause me not have one. And me now watch the Prime Minister body because, remember, body give girl things. All of the girl them, her run down the Prime Minister, so what? Met Juliet and him and the next wifey or the girl on the side take care of it. We want them to study the politics and make sure the decisions that they're making is in accordance with the constituents that put them there. When I'm praying on bedtime story, when I'm praying on pillar story, the people them of Jamaica need to invest their energy and time into uplifting their brothers and sisters and get rid of the bad mind. Imagine beautiful, talented, and educated. What else uno want? What else uno want representing the central Manchester area? Because you know, say Manchester is a city that has many foreigners. Everybody in Galchester have a family member, a foreign. Now the beautiful Rhoda Moy Crawford has expressed her disappointment in the Jamaican public, in the social media vloggers. And I, man, Rastafari soldier, I tell Rhoda, if you go and ride the road, go and do the road, go on out there, continue to work hard for central Manchester. Because I, man, been there and I see how Galchester is looking beautiful. The improvements there, the road got fixed, the people them living good, food, light, road. Yeah, the farmers them at Galchester appreciate love the attention that has been given to the farm roads. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very disappointed again in my Jamaican population because it appears that we have a tear down mentality. We have a seek and destroy positivity mindset. But I, man, just call it the biggest object in the world. Bad mind. Remember, bad mind is breeding. Remember, bad mind is multiplying. A positivity we are use and build up the place. The people them too negative and bad mind. Especially when people are not doing crime. We have a whole bunch of people right now on the internet praying vibes start well to see if he get off of the allegations. And here you have a beautiful woman, intelligent, care about her country. She has put aside her studies to immerse herself in the duty of assisting her constituency. And where Jamaicans do, Jamaicans make sure say them a bad minor, a drag her over the internet, and say she is the Prime Minister's side chick. Imagine. Ladies and gentlemen, me I ask you pan a comment pan a 1 year. All of my families them pan the TikTok. Give thanks for the support. Big up all my followers them pan YouTube. It's the same tube. Deeprootstv all over the internet. If you want to hear the truth, just subscribe and follow the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. But I'm telling you, say even if Holness step on his side a grind, don't pay it no mind. Because the girl look good. Your organ tay. Girl tester, just like you should. Big up yourself, Rhoda. Because I believe that your heart is with your constituents. Your mind is focused on being a better citizen of Jamaica. I could see and hear it in your tone that your honesty is real and bad mind Jamaicans are deal with you like them are Romans. Big up all true Jamaicans. Big up all real policemen and politicians. Big up all doctors and teachers, real citizens of Jamaica. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deeprootstv. Leave your comment on this one. Let me know if you believe Rhoda Moy Crawford says she's no side trick. Let me know if you believe the circulation. Or leave your comment. Let me know if you think these vloggers are looking a click by spreading this alleged gossip. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deeprootstv. Bigging up all real people worldwide. Cause real recognize real. And big up all of my Jamaicans them, my Haitians them, my Bahamians them. And me now forget the Palestinians them. More life, Africans you know. I'm looking for a new wife. More life. Big up yourself. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deeprootstv. Yeah, wanna do good and good will follow. Wanna see people rise and have a positive light. Wanna stop, turn out the light. Stop the gossiping. Stop the tearing down of each other. And big up our beautiful Jamaicans, daughters, sisters, and mother. Follow me on TikTok. Subscribe. Leave your comment. Share the content for me, ladies and gentlemen. Rhoda Moy Crawford. She has denied and refuted all allegations that has been circulating, scandaling her, saying that she had an affair with Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and also that she has terminated a pregnancy. She said, I lie, not no gosso, and me asks, why Jamaican so bad mind? More life and more joy and more happiness. Big up on yourself, my families and friends. You are guarantee. I make the people them know say, yo, it's the Rasta man up on the YouTube, on the TikTok. And we not take no hostage right now. Big up on yourself. I show it we are doing. Big up Deeproots.